Can you really get top-tier AI image creation tools on a single platform for free, including Flux images, face mapping, color matching, and over 200 preset styles, plus much more? Well, today, my friends, we're diving into Dzine AI, a platform packed with possibly every creative AI image and video tool you need. Let's go. One of the many cool things about Dzine AI is the ability to get credits when someone else registers with your link, and your boy Adrian is going to show you how to do this. That being said, why not hook your boy Adrian up with some credits of his own when you register? Simply click the first link in the notes below. Thank you. After clicking my link to register, you'll be on this page. Simply go to the button in the very middle and click Start for free. You can log in with your Google account or your email address. Okay, now that we're logged in, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the menu items on the left side. We have Community. I'm going to dive deep into this area in just a moment. Home will bring you back to this page. Projects is going to be the projects that we're going to be creating together. AI Tools. I'm going to go ahead and click here because I want you to see all that Dzine AI has to offer. A lot of different features, so if you ever forget where a feature is, you can click on AI Tools and you can see all these features, and then you can click on any of these squares to navigate directly to that feature. The platform offers APIs in case you want to connect different systems to Dzine AI. We have pricing information, which I'll cover in detail later. We have tutorials, and they have a Discord community. We have Refer a Friend. This is what I was mentioning earlier. Feel free to go to this area, copy your link, and then share that with family and friends. And then when people register with your link, you'll receive some bonus credits. It's time to activate my state-of-the-art focus review system. Does Dzine AI provide relevant text-to-image features? To start exploring the features, I'm going to click on New Project, which can be found near the middle of your screen. Feel free to follow along with me. You can give your project a name, and you can select the aspect ratio that you'd like to use. I'm going to choose 16:9, and I'm going to click Apply. Here we are with a new blank project. In the top left, we have our Home button, which would take us back to our previous screen. We have the name of our project, we have our aspect ratio, we have the dimensions of our project, we have our Move tool, we have our Upload tool, Text tool, Brush tool, Fit to Content tool, basically a resizing tool, and we have our Hand tool to grab items and to move them around. Moving to the right side of the screen, we have an undo action and we have a redo action. We have the size of our canvas. Currently we're at 92%. We have our credits, and you can see your plan right here. I'm on the beginner plan. And then we have a little question mark icon for some basic help features. And over on the left side of our screen, we have many different icons representing many different features that Dzine AI provides. Today, we're going to be focusing on the text-to-image functionality, so feel free to go ahead and click there. That will open our text-to-image options, in which we can choose the style. If I click right here, where I currently see Design General, I'll see all of the different styles that I can use with Dzine AI. And there is a lot, actually over 200. And if you look on the left side, you can see that we have different categories. So you can choose from general, realistic, illustration, portrait, 3D, anime, line art, material art, logo and icon character, scene, interior, and tattoo even. And with any of these styles, you can hover over them and you can go to the little eye for information icon, click that, and you can see more examples of this style, and you can see a description, and you can see a few tags here representing good uses for this style. This style, Design Realistic version 2, is good for realistic or photography or general. I'm going to click to close. We have an area to actually describe what we want. We have a prompt improver. If we click this, Dzine AI will enhance our prompt, but it does not show you the enhanced prompt. Instead, it's enhancing the prompt behind the scenes. In general, I prefer not to use a prompt improver unless it's going to show me the improved prompt before I click generate and use my credits. Otherwise, I would prefer to enhance my prompt myself, either by hand or using something like ChatGPT. Now, a moment ago, we set our aspect ratio for our project. Here, we can actually set an aspect ratio for a particular image that we're creating and we're putting onto the canvas of our project. Projects in Dzine AI consist of layers. Your project can be made of many different layers of images. we have the new face match feature, which is a lot of fun, and I'm going to be demonstrating that in a moment. We have an option for color match. We can toggle and we can see different palette options, and we can choose from any of these palettes, or we can click here to view more palettes. If we would like a custom palette, then we would choose that here. This is a good opportunity to point out that the items in this gold color are items that are premium services. I'm currently on the beginner plan, but I would have to upgrade my plan to actually use this feature and create a custom palette. Below color match, we have our generation mode. Our options here are fast, normal, and HQ. These basically represent the level of image quality that you'll receive. We have fast currently chosen, and you can see down here our generate button shows the number 2. That means we'll use 2 credits if we want to use fast mode, which is the lowest quality mode. If we would like to use normal, that would use 4 credits. And if we want to use high quality, that would consume 8 credits and takes about 2 minutes to process. I've just covered a few of Dzine AI's many features. I'll be covering other features in future videos. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. For features, I'm giving Dzine AI 5 stars. Output. Does Dzine AI provide valuable and compelling outputs? Stick with me, friends, as I show you how to create amazing illustrations, stunning graphics, fun Pixar-like creations, and gorgeous fashion ads. Okay, it's time to start creating some images. Since Dzine AI provides so many styles to choose from, when it comes to choosing your style, what I found to be the most useful is to click in the top left corner to go back to the home page, then go down to Community, click there. Here in the community area, you can browse through tons of different images that were created using the platform. You can scroll through, and when you find something interesting, you can click on that, and you can see the prompt that was used and the style that was used. I'm going to go to illustration. Since we're about to create something in this category, I'm going to scroll through until I find something I find interesting. I like this image. I'm going to click it to see it better. Yeah, I like that. I want to create something similar. I can see over here that it uses the retro sci-fi style. I can click right here to go ahead and leverage the same style. Or if I want to leverage both the style and the prompt, I can just click right here, try to generate. Let's do that. Okay, so that takes me to the text to image area with our retro sci-fi style chosen and the prompt that was used to create that image we were just looking at. And if I want, I can just go ahead and click generate and get a new version of that same image. Since AI is never the same twice, let's see how it turns out. And I can go ahead and click one of these to get a bigger look. And then I can just hit the right arrow to go to the next one and the next one. That one looks pretty good. I like that. And then for any of these, I can click to create a variation of the image. I can place it on our canvas. That's basically placing it in our project so we can work with it further, or we can download it, or I can go ahead and close this preview. And you'll see below the images, I can choose one of these numbers as well to create a variation or enhance and upscale, or open in the AI editor to make other revisions, which is also something I'll cover in an upcoming video. Okay, let's check out another category. Let's go back to the home screen and we'll go back to community. Let's go to photography. I'm going to scroll through to find a style that I like. I'm drawn to this picture. Let's click here, and I'm drawn to this picture because I love my matcha frappuccino, and maybe I'm drawn to her as well. I can see the style used is realistic, and I'm going to go ahead and click realistic to use that model. It first gives me more information about the realistic model, pictures that have been created using this model, the description, and some different tags for different use cases to use it with. And I'll click generate with it. Here I am in the text to image area with my realistic model chosen, and I'm going to paste in a prompt that I prepared. Cyberpunk heroine with neon blue hair, futuristic bodysuit, and holographic visor standing on a rooftop overlooking a sprawling neon cityscape. And I'm going to choose the normal generation mode, and I'll click generate. Let's check out our images. Pretty good. Okay, let's try another category. Home, community. graphics, which is great for creating logos and branding. I'm going to click on this Bigfoot graphic, which uses Design General. I'm going to click on Design General, and I'm going to go ahead and click Generate With. I'm going to paste a prompt that I have, and I'm going to choose Normal for generation mode, and I'm going to click Generate. For the prompt, I specified abstract digital collage featuring a woman's silhouette filled with surreal landscapes, blending photography and graphic elements. And that's what we achieved. Let's try another graphic design type of prompt I've prepared. Retro pop art style portrait of a glamorous woman with vibrant colors, halftone dots, and comic book inspired text bubbles. Let's see how this turns out. Pretty nice. I like this. This would be really great for some sort of ad in which you really want to capture attention. And this is really nice. I've always loved that comic book type of look and feel. Looking into the product category, this gives you many great examples if you want to run marketing ads or do product placement. I want to try something with this type of style. Let's see. This is Flex 1. I'm going to click Try to Generate. We have our style and our prompt filled in. I want to see if I can modify this prompt to just add a beautiful woman to this photograph. I'm going to change the word to top rated AI, and I'm adding a smiling, gorgeous female supermodel. Let's try that in normal mode. Generate. Okay, top rated AI in the background. I think this one's a little better. It's pretty good. The lighting is definitely better on the first one. Let's just go ahead and create a variation on the first one, see what we get. Okay, I think that is nice. I like that. Let's go to 3D. Most of these have that Pixar-like feel, which is always fun. I really like the lighting on this one. Innocent Cutie is the style. There are so many styles. Innocent Cutie, who would have thought that is actually a style name? Let's try Innocent Cutie. We can see more examples here. They all look pretty innocent. Perfect for a Pixar movie, if you wanted to create something like a Pixar movie. Okay, the prompt I'm going to use: adventurous, gorgeous female supermodel explorer with wild curly hair, freckles, and a determined expression, standing atop a cliff overlooking a fantastical landscape. And let's try that in normal mode. And something I did not mention before, but I'll mention it now, is our style intensity. It's currently set at 0.4 weak. And I'm going to go ahead and set that a little higher, and that is going to apply more of this Innocent Cutie style. Okay, I would say she looks like an innocent cutie. Really nice. The colors are really nice. The 3D look is really nice. I like it. I think it's time that we start playing with the face match feature. I'm going to click this to toggle it on, and I can pick a face, and even though I have this Innocent Cutie style, it will attempt to put a face into this image on this character and still maintain our Innocent Cutie style. So I'm going to click here to upload an image. Here's the image that I'm uploading, a very beautiful image that I created using Design's Flux.1 model. Here's a pro tip for you. To use this face match feature, you should have just the face, and you should have the full face, meaning the full head of the person. When I first created this image, it was more zoomed in. You did not see the top of her head, and Dzine AI did not like that. It would not allow me to use that as a face match image. So basically, I took it into Photoshop and expanded the image, and now let's give it a shot. I'm going to take down the style intensity a little bit because I want to make sure I see this new face in the image, and I feel that the higher we have the style intensity and the more we have this cartoon look, then the less we'll be able to recognize if it's actually this face. So let's see what we get. And I can already tell that the results are really great. That is definitely the face that we uploaded. I did not expect such a resemblance. Beautiful. I'm impressed. And I kind of want to create my own little Pixar movie with this gorgeous woman in it. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Really nice. I have another beautiful face that I would like to try in this scenario. And it is this gorgeous woman. Okay, so we have our face uploaded, and let's see how that turns out. And we have our results, and they are fantastic. Look at this. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. I think I'm going to have to start a little Pixar-like short story. I'm inspired. This is great. All of these results, really nice. And the face match, it works even with a different style. Very impressive. I love it. Dzine AI even handles architecture. We can scroll through and find something interesting. Let's try this one. This one uses the Design 3D Render V1 model. Let's click that. We can see more examples. I'm saying a smiling, gorgeous female supermodel in a bikini. She is standing in front of a high-end resort swimming pool. Let's try this in normal mode, and let's see what we get. So instead of multiple outputs, we only have one output this time. However, it is a really beautiful output. Very happy with that. And let's try out our newfound feature, Face Match. Somehow these came out with a cartoonish feel. They're still beautiful. But yeah, we definitely have some of that cartoonish feel pulled over. I don't know why. Very nice though. Well, let's go ahead and try our other gorgeous model. Also a little bit cartoon-like, but still beautiful. And this image has her super skinny. I don't know why that happened exactly, but beautiful. I'm noticing this woman in the red dress, which is using the Design Realistic V2 model. We'll click that. We see more examples. I'm going to click Generate with it. Haute couture runway model wearing an elaborate avant-garde dress made of flowing fabrics, intricate 3D printed elements, futuristic backdrop. Let's try it. Wow, so elaborate. Oh my goodness. That is something else. Okay, well, I've seen stranger things on the runway. I'm going to try a different prompt. Let's try this. Elegant woman in a high-end fashionable summer top and skirt walking through a beautiful street in Spain at sunset. That sounds nice. Beautiful. Look at these. So nice. Really like those. And let's try our models. Let's try to do a face match. So nice. Beautiful. And our other model. Wow, look at these. Beautiful. Wow, I just got chills in this one. Absolutely gorgeous. With so many models and styles, 5 stars without a doubt for outputs. Friends, what styles are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Cost. Is Dzine AI priced competitively? Most of the styles provide 2 quality modes, Normal for 4 credits and HQ for High Quality for 8 credits. Some styles provide a 3rd quality mode of Fast, which is only 2 credits. The free plan gives you 32 credits each day. The beginner plan is $8.99 and gives you 900 credits per month. The creator plan is $19.99 and gives you 3,000 credits per month. And the master plan is $59.99 and gives you unlimited credits. Sign up for an annual plan and get a 22% discount. And if you happen to be a student or a teacher, you can get a 70% discount. Besides the differences in credits, the different plans also provide additional functionality. With 32 free credits daily and some great discounts for the annual plan and especially the student and teacher plans, 5 stars for cost. Usability. Is Dzine AI user-friendly and intuitive? The interface might take a moment to get used to, but that's only because it's packed with some really great features. And for a platform that's packed with so many features, I feel that they actually did a really great job of laying out those features as intuitively as possible. For usability, I'm giving 5 stars. Speed. Does Dzine AI respond quickly and efficiently? In all of my testing with the different modes, fast, normal, and high quality, I feel that the sweet spot is the normal mode. It provides great outputs in about 30 seconds. I'm giving 5 stars for speed. That makes my overall rating for Dzine AI's text-to-image features a perfect 5 stars. Hey, you know that friend you have who is still trying to draw stick figures while you're creating AI masterpieces? Let's be honest, we all know someone like that. Why not do them a favor? Share this video with them. I'm sure they'll thank you later with slightly upgraded AI stick figures. Okay, so creating AI images, it's great and all, but just imagine the fun when they come to life. Thanks to Peak Editions, I now know what it feels like to put on a Super Bowl halftime show with Beyonce. In my last video on Peak Editions, I show you how to do this and so much more. Make sure you check it out. Until next time, stay creative, my friends.